Good evening, Namaste. Thank you for inviting me to the Mahaganesh Utsav Digital Program 2021. At the very outset, let me begin by wishing everyone all happiness and prosperity on the joyous occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. The festival dedicated to the most beloved god among the Hindu pantheon is eagerly awaited by devotees across India. The regions of Maharashtra, Karnataka and Gujarat celebrate the festival for 10 days, beginning with placing the idols of Ganesh in homes or in community pandals, offering of sweets, modaks, and ending with Visarjan on the 10th day with festive chants of Ganpati Bappa Moria. The festival, apart from its religious fervor, also has a historic significance. During the days of the British Raj, the festival was revived by Indian freedom fighter and social reformer Bal Gangadhar Tilak in 1893. In the late 19th century, the British Empire passed a series of ordinances banning public assembly for social and political purposes to effectively curtail assemblies of Indians. At that point, Lokmanya Tilak came up with the ingenious idea of Ganesh festival celebration as a community festival encompassing social gathering in large numbers to challenge the moral fabric behind oppressive British colonial laws. I extend my best wishes to the organizers, Indian Ladies Association Belgium, on taking this initiative to organize the festival in a digital format. I also wish to thank and welcome members of the Indian diaspora and all friends of India in Belgium and Europe for joining us in our virtual celebrations today. I'm told that today's event will also feature artworks by children. I would like to congratulate each and every participant for their enthusiasm and creativity. Friends, as you are aware, we are celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. All over the world, our embassies will mark this anniversary with different events. We welcome our Indian diaspora to join us in the celebrations. Without taking much time, I once again wish all the participants and virtual audiences a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. May the God of good fortune and wisdom bring auspiciousness and prosperity in our lives. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you. Namaskar.
Namaskar, I am Trupti Wagmare. Welcome to the digital celebrations of Mahaganesh Utsav Belgium. This year, due to pandemic, we are having this event digital. We have been very successful for celebrating Ganesh Utsav in Belgium from past 6 years. As India celebrates Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we would like to dedicate this event to our freedom fighter Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, as he is the one who has started this event, celebrations of Mahaganesh Utsav in 1893 as a Sarvajanik Mahaganesh Utsav in Pune, India. On this occasion, people install clay idols in their home and praise to Lord Ganesha for long 10 days. Lord Ganesha is known as Lord of good fortune, prosperity, good health and success. He is the one who removes all the obstacles and evil from everybody's life. We would like to thank the entire Indian diaspora of Belgium for being so supportive and making our events success always. We would also like to convey our special thanks to Embassy of India, Brussels for this collaborations, support and having a trust in us. From the entire team of Mahaganesh Utsav, I would like to wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria.
शिव शंकराचा तू अवतार, हाती घेऊनी भवानी तलवार, नर राक्षसांचा करूनी संहार, धरणी मातेचा तू केला उद्धार. जय देव जय शिवराया, आनंद बद्वारी आरती गाया. जय देव जय भवानी. जय शिवाजी. गणपती बाप्पा.
I, Soyansh Kotra, present myself as Shri Bal Gangadhar Tilak. It was in the year 1893 Tilak elaborated the pandals in Pune. Tilak was the first person to install a large clay idol of Lord Ganesha in a public place, and the festival continued for 10 days. He popularized Ganesha Chaturthi as a national festival to bridge the gap between the Brahmins and the non-Brahmins. Thank you.